Hey guys, Jared with Xpresscreen, and if you've been following our Facebook page, I put up a little teaser yesterday. Um, Gotten to kind of stretch my horizons a little bit with our QS2536. You know anything about it? It has a 1200 by 1200 DPI resolution, and so with knowing that, I got some artwork from a customer. And so I decided to try a little four color process. Um, Still playing around with this, so bear with me, but I'll try to explain a little bit about what's going on. So I'm going to adjust the camera a little bit, and we're going to print this four color process for you, and hopefully it'll come out looking as good as what I did this morning. Okay, so like I said, I've been playing around with this image. It's a four color, so it's CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow, and keystroke black. I'm printing it onto white because I don't have a white underbase screen. And I've been playing around with this. When I first started printing this, I started out with my yellow, then went to blue, then to red, then to black. Didn't really come out looking the greatest, so I played around with the order, and that's one of the things when you're doing process printing that you need to do. So what I have found is for this image here is, number one, I found that a quick push stroke in one direction works really well. Okay, and hopefully that will work for me. And then I go to my red, like so. I'm just gonna go here, quick push stroke. Lift up slowly. There we go. So you can already see I've got kind of like a purple theme going on now. Now I'm going to go to my yellow. Okay, you know, and that's one of the things that I have learned about this this process printing is you're probably always going to have to change, depending on the actual job itself. You're probably going to have to change the way that you actually print the job, depending on what effect that you're looking for. So now you can see I'm getting more of kind of a reddish orange, which is what I'm looking for in this. Now we'll come back with our final color, which is going to be our black. And we're just going to push the black over it. So you can kind of see how I've got the outer edges should be darker. My lighter inside of the actual guitar is what I'm looking for. But that's one of the benefits to our QS2536 is the fact that we're able to create images like this one here. This is probably the best one that I've had this morning. Each one's going to be a little bit different because, like you guys saw, I printed that wet on wet. And so, you know, I'm actually getting ink from other screens onto the back of our you know, other so for instance the blue is getting onto the red, that's getting onto the yellow, that's getting onto the black. So each image is going to be a little bit different. I can expect to get about 25-30 prints, and then I'm going to probably want to wipe the back side of these screens down in order so that I'm not building up a lot of those colors and they're melding before they ever actually get to the shirt. Alright, so there's our final product. You know, like I said, it's not absolutely perfect, but I'm still learning. I am very happy with the results, the fact that I've never done process printing before. To me, what really kind of stands out is just that detail that I'm able to get with the QS2536. That 1200 by 1200 DPI dot. It really kind of changes things when you start talking about your halftones, and especially four color process, simulated process, you know, just overall just halftone images. You know, I can take a JPEG and it's going to automatically turn into that halftone image for me with the QS2536. So I've been playing around, and I thought I hadn't done a video in a while, so I figured I'd throw this up there. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Little nerve-wracking for me because it's not something that I know a whole lot about yet. Still learning. So if any of you guys know anything else or have any tips or tricks for me, definitely leave them in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to read them, respond, and all that great stuff. I appreciate all of your viewership. If you have any questions or you need anything, give us a shout here at Xpresscreen. It's 800-597-9530. You can also check us out on the web. It's xpresscreen.com, or our Facebook page, which is www.facebook.com/Xpresscreen. Hopefully you guys will have a great weekend, and stay warm out there.